The mother of all resumes is how a self-described Texas redneck referred to the resume format I'm going to teach in this lesson. I'm excited to show it to you, and if you stick around to the end, you'll also learn how to get a free Microsoft Word template, Google Docs template, and Mac Pages template that you can use to create your very own mother of all resumes. So let's get started. Happily Employed Rockstar. I'm Robert with themagiccoverletter.com, and you are in the right place to learn the secrets to getting a better job. Click that red subscribe button, and here we go. Like it or not, the resume is still the required document when looking for a better job. When combined with the magic cover letter, it creates a quick but lasting first impression of you. It is your unique selling proposition, your very own advertisement. So it's critical that you get it right. The first magic key is to make sure your resume is easy to read. You only have 6 to 10 seconds to get into that YES pile. So it's really critical, and the resumes I'm going to share with you in this video will help you do that. First of all, I recommend you start with a heading at the top of your resume in 14 or 16 point type, and right underneath that, you're going to show your city and state, your email address, and your phone number right below the heading in smaller type. Below this, in large 18 or 20 point type, you're going to put the job title for the position to which you are applying. The reason for this is that if for some reason your magic cover letter gets separated from your resume, it will be very clear to whoever is looking at your resume what position you are applying to. For a chronological resume, which is still the most common type of resume and is recommended when you have a strong work history with minimal gaps, you're going to then begin to list each job you've held, starting with your most recent one or current job and working back down the page in reverse chronological order to your earliest work or educational experiences. If you don't have a strong work history, I recommend you use a functional or combination resume format, which I'll be talking about in an upcoming video. For each job, list the name of the company, your job title, and the month and year you started, and the month and year you ended. Here's an insider tip. If the company is well known, it's probably in your interest to list the name of the company first, followed by your job title. However, if the company is not so well known and you have an impressive job title, you might consider switching those and listing the job title first, followed by the name of the company. There's no right or wrong answer here. Simply think about which option is going to give you the most favorable impression and go with that. And now I'm really curious. What's the biggest question you have about your resume? Ask it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it as quickly as I can. Underneath this, you'll list your most significant accomplishments for each position. You want to front load those little short sentences with the results first and then describe how you did it. Use numbers where possible because numbers communicate that you are a results-oriented person and everybody wants someone who can deliver results. Here's another insider tip. I encourage all my clients to keep a master resume, which is a listing of everything you've ever accomplished. Then, when you have a new job you wish to apply to, simply take that master resume, make a copy of it, and tailor it to the specific requirements for the job you are applying to. This makes it a really easy way for you to keep track of all your accomplishments and be sure that you're including the most relevant ones when you're applying for a new position. Be sure to highlight this next point in yellow in your brain. As you're tailoring your resume for each position to which you're going to apply, be sure to use industry buzzwords or words that are in the job description. This has been shown to increase your hireability by as much as 30%. And I recommend starting with the job description because that's going to include the words that the company you're applying to most often uses. One more thing, I'm really excited to share my free Mother of All Resumes template in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Mac Pages. Simply go to themagiccoverletter.com/resume templates and download your copy right now. The link is also in the description. If you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. And until next time, unleash your big dreams by asking yourself this powerful question: what if it's possible now?